There we go.
Okay.
Cool.
So if we didn't have any questions, should we just kick right on over to the quiz and see what we can kind of do?
Yep, that sounds good. And if we have any questions during the quiz, we'll try not to be too much of a hindrance because we didn't prepare, but we'll try to help as much.
We'll take it at the speed we all need. That's fine.
Yeah, nice and slow works for me. That way I understand where the numbers are coming from.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So number 3, in previous lessons, we assumed population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about it's unknown.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis.
So for question 4, that would just be sigma is not known, correct? Because it says sigma is not known.
Exactly.
Okay. Just kind of gives us that one in the reading.
Value of t.
That's the one where you do the bar x minus null hypothesis over, what is it? Standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can plug in all those numbers into Excel.
True.
Which, if one of us wants to do it by hand, then I will just plug it in. See if our numbers match. That works. Wait.
All right, I got my value.
Okay. I'll make sure I put in all the right numbers here.
I got 1.5.
And then,
Okay, yeah, that's what I got too. I just doing it by hand.
Okay, and that's what I did, and I also did it in Excel to confirm. So.
Because you essentially just end up with 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by root 9, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So yeah, 11 minus 8 over 6 divided by 3, or yeah, 6 divided by 3 in the end. So.
Okay, yeah.
okay, so what did you put in Excel for the confidence level? Did they give us that, or?
They didn't, but that doesn't make an impact on the t value.
Okay, so what number am I missing? So I have the mean they give us as, oh, okay. I think
So
I know
the
what
mean of the sample is 11, n is 9, standard deviation of 6 with a null hypothesis of 8. When you do that, if you look down at variable 1, which is the one sample test, it gives you a t-score of 1.5.
Yeah, I was missing one number, and that's what, okay.
Gotcha.
I got it. And
okay.
I matched now, so we're good. So 1.5.
Okay. All right, they want us to
use the following values. Okay.
How am I supposed to copy and paste this thing? Let me.
So you just copy it in.
Yeah, except it's not letting me copy it. I don't know why.
No, yeah. you can't for some reason. So I just put them side by side. And
Yeah, that works.
Okay, so U is 98.6. That symbol is less than, right? We're looking for a less than number.
Yep.
Okay. And where would you put the level of significance into the Excel sheet?
Level of significance. So you just take that and subtract it from 1, and you get the confidence level.
Okay, so that's 95. Someone did the math right?
Yep.
We don't know the standard deviation on this one, so I can zero that out, right?
Give me 1 second.
Doesn't like me. Oh, hold on. Now I feel silly. We can figure out the standard deviation from the sample here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, it would be a lot easier to copy and paste. Keep losing track.
So do they want us to find the mean and standard deviation of that? Is that basically what they're asking us to do in order to put it into the Excel sheet?
That's part of the equation, yes.
Okay.
Would one of you mind screen sharing on just how you're going about that? Just
Yeah, give me 1 minute.
Yeah, let Doug do it. He's a little faster at the input sheet. Let's see.
All right, there we go. So when you have this open, that's kind of what they want us to start using, but in order to calculate everything, I'm just doing it outside of it. So you basically take all those different points. The total number of the sample is 20, so that's something that we'll need to have. So A1 to A20, 98.22 is the mean of that. And then standard deviation of that, I just go in and I'll 0.922. Are you following me on that?
yes. What I mean, obviously it's within Excel, but what do you have opened?
So it's quantitative inference procedures. It's one of the Excel files that they have provided through the reading.
Oh, okay.
It's also in the resource folder.
Pull that up in order for us to use it.
Sure.
In order for you to kind of use the different computation things that they want us to do.
Okay. So you said it's the quantitative inferential procedures.
Yep, quantitative inference procedures. That's the one you're trying to get.
Gotcha.
You want me to keep sharing or
I think once I open this, it'll make a bunch more sense.
okay? So if question 6, they're asking for bar X, that's going to be the 98.220, right?
Yeah, that's what we got.
Okay.
Yes, and I got that same number.
Question 7 is S is 0.922.
Let me plug it in and I'll let you know
Okay.
if I match. Yes, I got 0.922 as well.
Perfect.
T-square, okay. I need to double check to make sure I have all the info again. So N is 20. Because the T-square didn't make any sense there for a second. And then 95, 98.6. Okay, I got a T of negative 1.843.
Yep. I've got the p-value as well set up.
Yeah, it shows that p-value is 0.040.
And so if you round up, it should be 041, right?
Let-
No, you're right. It's 040. Never mind.
I have it set to just the 3, so I don't see that fourth one, so it rounds for me automatically.
No, that's nice. Yeah, mine didn't do that, so that's okay though.
Do you know how to change it so it does?
Yeah, I do. I'm just not
Okay.
gonna bother with it. Doesn't really matter to me.
I
Which
hate
means
having
because
to
it's
figure it out.
smaller, so question 10, that means it's a reject of the null hypothesis, correct?
Yeah. If P is low, reject the null.
There we go. Good job. You remembered that. I would have to go look it up. Okay.
Are you caught up to where we're at, Caleb and Michaela?
Well, yes, kind of. The Excel is kind of slow, but
Okay.
we're gonna get there though. No worries.
All right, we'll wait up until you're all set just before we
Then
move on.
what was the standard deviation for the last one we did?
0.922 is the standard deviation for those last set of numbers.
And N was 20. Confidence level is that N minus 1? Or what was confidence level?
The confidence
Is the
confidence level is you take the level of significance minus or 1 minus the level of significance and you'll get the confidence level.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it was 0.05.
So it's just 0.95.
Yep.
Right.
Exactly.
Then the null hypothesis, did we have that?
Yeah, they gave it to
98.6.
us.
Oh yeah, 98.6. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. They are telling us to copy and paste into SP. Okay, so we need to copy and paste into Excel for this one as well.
Oh, the baby boom one. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. We're caught up. So go ahead.
Well, I'm just gonna set up my Excel for the next one. So you just,
Okay.
if you still need to work or have questions, go for it.
Okay. I think we're caught up where we need to be.
Where's the baby boom file?
It's a GSC file, but it just says that the values were pulled from. So just take the values below.
Okay.
They're just telling us where to find it if we want to go look it up directly. But if they're giving it to me, I'm not going to bother taking that extra step. That way I can blame the coders for giving me issues. Oh, wait, that was good. Good.
I can tell you, we're gonna have a huge deviation, a standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, we are. Okay, so I need to change the last number.
Did you get a total of 21 values?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, I just want to make sure I didn't miss one as I was typing them in.
I go
Yeah.
from 5 to 25, so yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. We said there were 21 values for the number n. Nine.
You get 36.356 as your standard deviation.
36.356. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And the p-value is 0.995. Everybody else get that too?
Hold on, give me 1 minute. Five, six.
So you said you got the p-value of 0.995.
Yes.
Okay.
Douglas, did you get the same thing?
Yeah, I did. Sorry, it was taking me a while to plug in all the information, but
I'm
I got
okay
it.
with that. And so we failed to reject the null for number 12, correct?
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
That's huge. Okay. So this time
then-
we just go ahead.
I was going to say, so we just change it to less than, and that changes our p-value, correct?
It, yeah, decreases it.
Okay.
Yep, by a lot.
But in that one, we still fail to reject, though, right? Because
It's
Because-
still not underneath the level of significance.
Yeah, it's still higher than the level, so
okay.
Okay, so now it's
So for this one, we would have to use the applet, right?
technically no, because all we're looking for is the lower limit of the confidence interval. And if you actually plug that information to the Excel sheet, if you just change everything accordingly, it gives you the correct answer.
So what would we be changing?
So you change the confidence level to 95 instead of 99, which is what it was before.
Oh,
Okay.
so does that make the lower limit like 4 point something? Or
If you have the mean, standard deviation, and the sample size put in there, it's a type of test of less than. Null hypothesis is still 40 with a 95%. I've got 23.954.
Yes, I got 23 point. Okay.
Do you have something different?
I'm trying to make sure I'm looking at the right one. Hold on.
So
Okay.
that rounded to 24.0 because it's 1 decimal.
Yeah, that's probably what it would be.
So we're looking at the confidence level that has the two separate numbers. Mine shows 23.499 and then 56.597. So the lower limit would be the 23 number.
Yeah. So what do you have written down in the statistics, in the summary statistics?
So the mean I have is 40.048. The standard
Okay.
deviation is 36.356, with the number being 21. Confidence level is 0.95. Null hypothesis is 40. It's less than.
Okay. That's probably why I had one number off, so let me fix that.
Okay.
What did you say your standard deviation was?
36.356.
We've got 36.655 still.
You have all those values put in there, correct?
Yes, I do. All right, let me double check on those numbers. Maybe I missed one.
Okay.
Oh, you're right. It is, yeah, 355. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. I just plugged in the wrong thing back into the summary.
All right. I feel better then. Okay.
No, you were right.
All
Okay,
right. So
there we
question
go.
15, the lower is 23.5, and then 16 would be 56.6, correct?
Yep.
Yes. So. All right. And yes, 56.6. I love it. I absolutely love Excel.
Yep.
I want
That's
to use it forever.
not too bad at all.
Excel
right.
is pretty helpful when it works.
When it works, yes. Okay.
All right. Submit.
Yes.
Mhm.
Got it all in there.
All right. We won and done it.
Yay!
Wheat. I accidentally plugged in one of them wrong, but yeah, I got the same stuff. So,
Oh, good, good.
but yeah, so one and done. Well done.
Very
All
good.
right. Make sure you post it and go ahead and what I did the last time Shelly wasn't here is send it to her directly so that she has it just in case she doesn't check the discussion board.
Sure. What's the best way to do that?
I just emailed her at her BYUI email.
Oh, just email it directly. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, that you can do.
Alrighty.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, well, thank you for your help. Thanks for being patient with us, and we'll catch you next week.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good.
I'll do Tuesday unless she says that everything's working for her.
Okay,
Sounds good.
sounds good.
All right. See you Tuesday. Good luck on
Okay,
your
see
homework
ya.
and all that.
Yep.
Yep.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
You too.
Yep, thank you guys.
Thanks.